this is the #1 way in which so many people are making money on the online space. And if you're just starting your YouTube channel, you're starting your journey to making money on the online space, and you have no idea which are the best affiliate programs to get started with, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 of the best affiliate programs that you can get started with as a beginner, because most of these affiliate programs, the barrier to entry is very low, so you can get started in the next 7 days and start making your money with them. The first one in the list is Amazon Associates. Let me be honest, this was my first affiliate program that I enrolled in, because it just took me close to 15 minutes to enroll myself in it and get started, get the links and start promoting them. When it comes to Amazon Associates, you can be able to promote literally anything in any industry that you're in, because it's very great for promoting anything, because most of the products they sell, it can be able to be accessed with anybody in the world. So this is a good platform to get started with as a beginner, and they have no barrier to entry in terms of which country cannot associate with it. All you need to have is a website in which you will be asked to submit when you are filling in the forms. So if you do not have a website, you can go and create a free website on places like blogger.com. Just create a free website there and use the link to that free website to actually enroll with it on on Amazon KDP, and then you can be able to start promoting whatever it is that you want to promote on these other platforms like YouTube or TikTok or Instagram. So it is very beginner friendly, and you can be able to get started in the next 30 minutes. You can be able to get started and enroll with them. The second one on the list is called Rutine Marketing. They deal mostly with fashion brands, beauty brands, and electronics. So this is another platform, this is another affiliate program that I can encourage anyone who is in the beauty industry or electronic industry to get started with, because I have an affiliate link with them, and I can literally tell you it was really fun. It just took me about 10 minutes to enroll with them and get started in promoting their products. So it is very, very easy to get started with them, and the barrier to entry is very low, because you are not asked a lot of questions and you're not required to submit a lot of things, because they just need people to promote their product. Third one on the list is called Digistore. So Digistore, it's an e-commerce platform in which they sell digital products. So things like ebooks, things like courses, online courses, they actually sell all these things on their on Digistore. So Digistore, again, it's a really great platform for any beginner who wants to promote products and get paid. You just need to go and enroll on Digistore and get started, and start your journey to making money with affiliate program. It is very beginner friendly. They actually accept so many people in different countries, so it's a great platform you can go get started with, and barrier to entry again is very low. You're not required to give a lot of details on anything. You just need to submit your emails and a few other things like your address and everything, and you're good to go. Most of them all, I'll say it's Fiverr, because I feel Fiverr is not only is it easy to get started and enroll in, it also pays very well. Like Fiverr will pay you up to $100 just to promote that product. That is a game changer. Fiverr will pay you up to $1,000 just to bring in a buyer to buy from their platform. It's such a good game changer, and just to be able to get $100 for just taking someone to buy freelance services on Fiverr, it's really good. So barrier to entry again, it's very low. You just need to create an account with them. I'll leave a link to them down here below. You can go create an account with them and go get started in promoting their product or even selling your services in Fiverr. The fifth one on the list is email marketing softwares. So email marketing softwares, there's so many, that's why I have grouped them in that category. So there are things like ConvertKit, Aweber, GetResponse, Brevo. There's so many email marketing softwares out there that you can be able to get started with. And the good thing about these email marketing softwares is you actually get a recurring payment. So recurring payment, I mean that every month when someone actually pays for their subscription, you actually get a percentage, like 30%, 40%, depending on the email marketing software you are promoting. So I always encourage people, if you're talking things to do with if you're dealing with small business owners, you're dealing with e-commerce brands, and you are teaching things to do with business idea, you can enroll on these email marketing softwares and just place a link down. When they grow their email list to 1,000 or to 2,000, depending on the email marketing software, they'll be required to start paying at a particular amount of money for them to keep on growing their emails. And that is where you can be able to earn the money out of that. You actually get paid after they have paid the subscription. You will be paid a percentage out of that. So email marketing softwares, they are very great. And one of the best one, I'll say, it's Brevo, because Brevo will pay you $5 for every free trial you actually send to them. The only bad side to Brevo is you are required to have a business email account. So they don't require to have a Gmail account. They'll not accept you. So you need to have a business email account in order to be given the affiliate program. The sixth one on the list is Canva Pro. Canva is a design platform where people go create design templates and everything, and they pay good amount of money. So you can be able to promote Canva. If you talk about things that I talk about mostly, or things to do with design, things to do with learning new skills, then you can go and apply to a Canva affiliate. The only bad side to Canva is you are required to have at least 5,000 followers in particular platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. So if you do not have 5,000 followers, then you cannot be able to promote their product. That is the only bad side to it. But the good side is you get paid again, like $35 per person that you take, who actually will buy the Pro version. So it's not just everybody, they need to be using the Pro version in order for you to actually be paid. On in the list is BluHost. So BluHost is a platform that hosts websites. It's a self-host website platform. Did I just say that right? So they actually deal with bloggers, content creators, and it's a great platform if you want to get started in creating your websites. And if you talk about mostly things to do with content creation, blogging and all these things, then you can be able to promote BluHost and then get paid in commission every time someone enrolls to BluHost using your link. Another beginner friendly, it's not hard to get started in. You just need to be able to answer to fill in the forms so that you actually get accepted and get the link to start promoting it. So if you're just a beginner and you have no idea how to get started with this, you want to be able to start making money with affiliate marketing, but you have no idea where to get started, how to even go about it, which are the niche you need to choose, and all these things, you can grab my ebook in the link down here below that will walk you through on exactly how to get started as a beginner, because I know how it can be frustrating when you want to make money with affiliate programs, but you have no idea how to go about it so that you can be able to make the money. The ebook is down there below. You can grab it and go through it and then go get started with making money with affiliate marketing. I hope you have found value in this video. I hope you can be able to start making money with affiliate marketing, because I always say this is one of the best and free way in which you make your passive income, especially if you're creating videos here on YouTube. Like, your videos can live 3 to 4 years, and through those years, when someone clicks on that link, you still be paid that money. So how good can that be? So it's just a matter of you being willing to learn affiliate marketing, being willing to put yourself out there and create content, and then be able to drive that traffic to your affiliate programs. So do not forget to like this video if you have found value. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just leave a comment down here below just to tell me what is that affiliate program that you are willing to get started in from this video that you have actually watched down here below. Again, from me to you, it's bye bye. See you on my next video.